One day, many students gathered in a large building. They came to listen and learn. The room looked completely full. Every seat seemed taken. More students kept arriving. They walked in and looked around, but when they saw how full it was, they felt unsure about going in. Some thought, "There's no room for me." Some felt like they didn't belong. Some turned around and started to leave. But something unexpected happened. The students who were already seated noticed the people coming in. They saw their hesitation. They saw many students were leaving, and they decided to help. One by one, students began turning on the lights on their phones. Tiny lights began to glow all around the room. The students held them up high, not to draw attention to themselves, but to send a message. There is a seat here. There is space for you. You can sit here by me. You belong here with the rest of us. The room had looked full, but it wasn't. There was still room enough for everyone. Because of those small lights, students who were unsure began to stay. They found seats. They found a place. They didn't leave feeling alone. They stayed and they belonged. Sometimes life can feel like that. We might feel like there isn't a place for us. We might feel unsure or not good enough or like we don't belong. But there is always room. Jesus Christ is always calling us. He is patient, He is kind, and He wants us to come closer to Him. Sometimes we can be like those students with the lights. We can notice others. We can show them that there is room for them. We can help them feel welcome. We can show them that there is still space for them to experience God's love. And sometimes we are the ones who need to see the light. We need to remember that there is still room for us too. Because no matter how far we feel or how unsure we are, Jesus Christ is always calling to us, "Come home,